सजे बिहारी, मनमोहन तेरी छवि अति प्यारी।
The most awaited and divine moment has finally arrived. With immense joy and heart full of excitement, we welcome you all to this beautiful evening. We respectfully invite our today's guest of honor, Mr. Santosh Kade sir, Mr. Nitin Gaikwad sir, Mr. Rajesh G. Sarkade sir, and our Sanskriti Foundation head, Mr. Rakesh Rajput sir and team. We also welcome Sunil Nagar sir, the president of Brilliant School, also our school director, our school vice principal, coordinator, parents and all the teachers. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause. And what makes this moment even more special is the divine presence of little Krishna and a sacred calf symbolizing love, purity. नन्हे नन्हे कदमों में पायल की झंकार, नन्हे नन्हे कदमों में पायल की झंकार, प्रेम भरी उन नजरों में काजल का श्रृंगार। मोर मुकुट है सिर पर मुरली धरी है हार, मोर मुकुट है सिर पर मुरली धरी है हाथ। Let's begin this auspicious event with a sacred beginning. Now I request all the dignitaries to kindly come forward for the pujan of Lord Krishna. बंसी की मीठी तान हो और राधा रानी का प्यार, बंसी की मीठी तान हो और राधा रानी का प्यार, खुशियों से भर जाए आज हमारा ये संसार, हमारा ये संसार। स्वागत है आपका दिल से इस ब्रज की छाँव में, स्वागत है आपका दिल से इस ब्रज की छाँव में। मिले सुकून ऐसा जैसे हो कृष्ण के गाँव में, जैसे हो कृष्ण के गाँव में। माखन का कटोरा मिश्री की मिठास, माखन का कटोरा मिश्री की मिठास, हमारे हृदय में कान्हा सदा आपका है वास, कान्हा सदा आपका है वास। ना मंदिर की दीवारें ना कोई भव्य धाम चाहिए, ना मंदिर की दीवारें ना कोई भव्य धाम चाहिए, बस हर सांस में मुझे आपका ही नाम चाहिए, बस हर सांस में मुझे आपका ही नाम चाहिए। ऑडियंस बोलो राधे राधे, बोलो राधे राधे, और जोर से राधे राधे, राधे राधे।
सबके स्वामी अंतर्यामी पूरन कीजिए काज, देव के नंदन तुमको वंदन रखते सबके लाज।
हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की, बोलो हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की।
मनमोहन तेरी छवि अति प्यारी,
नन्हे नन्हे कदमों में पायल की झंकार, नन्हे नन्हे कदमों में पायल की झंकार, प्रेम भरी उन नजरों में काजल का श्रृंगार। मोर मुकुट है सिर पर मुरली धरी है हाथ, मोर मुकुट है सिर पर मुरली धरी है हाथ। आए हैं कान्हा हम भक्तों के द्वार, हम भक्तों के द्वार।
कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा, श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे।
Now I request all the dignitaries to kindly come forward and light the ceremonial lamp as we celebrate today's event, Braj Ki Gatha Vrindavan. Let's begin this auspicious event with hope, positivity, culture, devotion and happiness. सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी, विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। ब्रज की पावन मिट्टी सा निर्मल आपका व्यवहार है, ब्रज की पावन मिट्टी सा निर्मल आपका व्यवहार है। कान्हा के इस नगरी में आपका सादर अभिनंदन है, आपका सादर अभिनंदन है। लोग पूछते हैं वृंदावन में ऐसा क्या है, मैं कहती हूँ वहाँ मिट्टी नहीं माखन की खुशबू है, वहाँ पानी नहीं यमुना की दुलार है, वहाँ मंदिर नहीं साक्षात करुणा का अवतार है, साक्षात करुणा का अवतार है। So
dear parents, let's celebrate this auspicious event.
So let us give a huge round of applause. Now I request all the dignitaries to kindly take their respective
ब्रज की पावन मिट्टी सा निर्मल आपका व्यवहार है। ब्रज की पावन मिट्टी सा निर्मल आपका व्यवहार है। आपके आगमन से खिला आज हमारा ये संसार है, आज हमारा ये संसार है।
शॉल और स्मृतियों से नहीं हम हृदय से वंदन करते हैं। शॉल और स्मृतियों से नहीं हम हृदय से वंदन करते हैं। कान्हा की इस नगरी में आपका सादर अभिनंदन करते हैं, आपका सादर अभिनंदन करते हैं।
Following the beautiful tradition of Atithi Devo Bhava, I request our school director, Shri Hanuman sir, to felicitate our today's guest of honor, Mr. Santosh sir.
A man of a soil, a magistrate of a people, and a visionary for the Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Please give a big round of applause for Mr. Santosh Dattatreya Gote sir.
Now, I request our honorable school director, Shri Hanuman Bhunve sir, to felicitate Nitin Gaikwad sir.
Now I request Bhunve sir to felicitate Mr. Rajesh G. Sarkate sir. Now I request Mr. Bhunve sir to felicitate Mr. Sunil More sir, the president of Brilliant School. Now I request Bhunve sir to felicitate Mr. Sunil More sir, the president of Brilliant School. Magar sir, the president of Brilliant School. Audience, please give a huge round of applause for Mr. Sunil Magar sir.
Sir, monitor.
Now I request Rakesh sir, Nikesh Rajput sir and Akash Rajput sir to please come forward. Now I request Bhunve sir to felicitate the president of Sanskriti Foundation and Mr. Rakesh Rajput sir and his team. I request Mr. Bhunve sir to felicitate Mr. Rakesh Rajput sir, the president of Sanskriti Foundation. Now I request Bhunve sir to felicitate Mr. Nikesh Rajput sir. Now I request Bhunve sir to felicitate Mr. Akash Rajput sir. Now I request Bhunve sir. Now I request all the dignitaries to kindly take their respective seats. now, let us begin this auspicious evening with a beautiful welcome song. Let the rhythm of voices fill the air with positivity and happiness. So, put your hands together for the welcome song.
Hello.
That was really amazing. An audience? So audience, let us give a huge round of applause for our little stars. I'd like to call our school principal, respected Sir Mr. Tamam, to address the gathering. So audience, let's welcome her with a huge round of applause.
Thank you. Good evening to Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Santesh Gutte sir, Guest of Honor, Mr. Nitin Gaikwad sir, our School Director, respected Bondwe sir, Guest of Honor also Sunil Magar sir, and Sanskriti from Sanskriti Foundation, Akash sir, Nitesh sir, and Nikish sir. School Secretary, Mrs. Bondwe ma'am, our school committee member, Mayuri Bondwe ma'am, Vice Principal Sawant ma'am, Foundation Head, Shadija ma'am, Coordinator, Tupe ma'am, all my teachers, staff, parents, and most importantly, my lovely student. A very warm and cheerful evening to all present over here. Today is truly a special day for all of us as we are celebrating the Braj Ki Gatha Vrindavan, the foundational stage annual day. This occasion is not just about the performances, but a celebration of the joyful journey of our youngest learners. Let us take inspiration from Vrindavan spirit, spreading joy, love, and harmony in our lives. Our little stars may be small in size, but they are filled with immense curiosity, creativity, and enthusiasm. Every smile, every word they speak, and every tiny achievement they make is a very big, achievement for us also. We focus on nurturing their confidence, their imagination, and love for learning. Dear parents, your constant support and trust means a lot for us. Together, we are going to build a strong foundation for our children, one that will shape their future and help them grow into confident and responsible individuals. I would also like to appreciate the dedication and the hard work of our teachers who put the endless efforts to guide and care for these young minds with patience and love. Today, as you watch these little ones perform on stage, I request you to encourage them with your applause. For them, this stage is a very big step, and your support will give them confidence that will last for their lifetime. Let us celebrate their innocence, their talents, and their happiness. May this day filled with joy, laughter, and unforgettable memories. Thank you for all being a part of this wonderful celebration. Have a delightful evening ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Your words truly enlighten us. So, audience, please give her a huge round of applause. Saranya, today I feel like Nand Baba and Yashoda Maiya are watching at their little Krishnas and Radhas.
Yes, Pranjali, the flute plays a melody and a peacock does a dance.
And the audience looks at their watches when they get a chance. Isn't it, Saranya?
Huh, I have observed that audience are not clapping. So audience, please show your energy to our students. Let's give a huge round of applause for this wonderful performance. The foundation of a bright future is built upon today's achievements.
It's now my time to reveal the annual report.
Now, presenting the annual report by our pre-primary to grade 2nd students. So, put your hands together for the annual report.
A very warm and cheerful good evening to one and all present here. Welcome to the colorful and interesting evening of the annual function. We, the students of pre-primary and grade 1st and 2nd, are here to vote for the academic year 2025 and 26. It's an honor and our privilege to talk about our school, Bhunve Patil Kindergarten and Bhunve Patil Public School. About our school, the foundation of our school was laid in the year 2018 and formal functioning of the school started in the year 2019. The pleasant, neat, clean and beautiful school building shows the quality of education and discipline that we follow in our school. We are so blessed that our school follows all of this. Our school has a huge colorful campus. It has 85 wide and spacious rooms that are large and airy. There are separate sections from grade playgroup to higher school. It has all the facilities that are required for the wholesome development of a child. Our school has incorporated IFB panels in all the classrooms right from playgroup to 10th. One of the special features of our school is the language lab, where we get to learn lessons through computer-based activities, improving our communication skills in a fun and interactive way. Along with this, we have well-equipped labs, including the chemistry lab, computer lab, science lab, and maths lab, where we conduct experiments and explore new concepts. Our robotics lab is another exciting addition, allowing us to learn concepts, programming, and automation, which makes learning about technology even more interesting. Our school also has a toy room where young learners can engage in fun and educational activities, fostering creativity and early development to ensure safe and clean drinking water. Our school has advanced water purifiers and a well-maintained water storage system providing fresh and hygienic water for all of us. Our school also promotes sustainability by using solar panels, ensuring we contribute to a greener future. Our school provides 35,000 kilowatts of electricity, making a significant steps toward energy conservation. We have a canteen facility that provides hygienic and nutritious food, keeping us energized throughout the day. Apart from academies, our school encourages leadership and discipline through NCC Scout and Guide programs, where students learn teamwork, responsibility, and essential life skills. School reopening. School reopening is the start of something wonderful, and our Bhone Patil Kindergarten and Bhone Patil Public School has done an excellent job at reopening. Our teachers welcome all the students with love and affection. The unity and fabulous welcome where all the students walk on the red carpet and teachers shower flower upon doors. The drum and trumpets were blowing, and Doraemon and Bear welcome us with joy. There was a selfie point arranged where students and teachers enjoying taking selfies, following by the welcome assembly presented by all the teachers. The grand welcome ceremony was wonderful, and we all were overwhelmed. Parents Orientation Program. In the beginning of the academic year, it is very essential for both parents and teachers to have healthy and strong communication for the wholesome development of students. The school management had organized Parents Orientation Program, where our academic head, Mrs. Yana Shadija ma'am, provide them the necessary information of the school functioning, where she guided all the parents with essential activities that the parents have to perform, bring in the required development in the child. Guidance and information of the regarding the school facilities and implementation of the annual year planning. Teachers introduced themselves, and that was really wonderful. Akshar Arambha ceremony. At the beginning of the academic year, a special Akshar Arambha ceremony was organized for playgroup and nursery students. A traditional ritual marked the start of their learning journey. The school director and our school director, Mr. Bondra sir, our school secretary, Mrs. Minakshi ma'am, along with foundation stage academic head, Mrs. Gana Shajija ma'am, guided the children to write Shri Om, making the occasion meaningful and memorable. Daily routine. Our school is not just a place for learning, but our second home, where we grow with moral values and skillful learning. School reporting timing for pre-primary is sharp 8:45 am and departure timing is 2:30 pm, where the departure timing for grade 1st and 2nd is 4 pm. We learn to read and write in the school through different activities. We get knowledge for different subjects, where many activities like sports, family. School assemblies are beautiful. Bondway Patil Kindergarten and Bondway Patil Public School is the best place to make us a beautiful person because every day our school assembly starts sharp at 9 with yoga, meditation, warm-up, laughter, exercise and Zumba, followed by prayer, good thoughts, action words, GK questions, rhymes and show and tell, moral story, jolly phonics pledge and national anthem. The school assembly gives us a chance to build self-confidence, share our skill, speaking, practice and develop stage courage. Co-curricular activities, grade pre-primary, CCA activities, academic year 2025 and 26. I am so excited to share all the amazing things we made this year. At our school, we had done exciting activities in nursery to celebrate Sri Krishna Janmashtami. We had made Krishna crown. Also on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan, girls made beautiful rakis and boys expressed their love and bond through gifts and cards. Adding to the festive spirit, we have participated in Navratri colors making activities. In LKG, we had fun making a Rakhi to celebrate the love between siblings for Republic Day. We made a tricolor bird to show for our country. We also made a finger family to learn about our family members, and for Diwali, we made a rocket which made Festival of Lights even more exciting. Co-curricular activities UKG. The students of UKG actively participated in various co-curricular activities throughout the year, showcasing their creativity and enthusiasm. The occasion of Raksha Bandhan, the girls beautifully made rakhis while the boys prepared greeting cards for their sister, expressing love and care. During the Ganpati festival, students enjoy the Ganpati craft activity, enhancing their artist skill. They also participated in craft activity on Independence Day, meaningful and colorful artwork. Children also brought tricolor items in India lunchbox, and they enjoyed true spirit of independence. This activity not only made learning enjoyable but also helped in developing creativity culture and also fine motor skill among the students. Co-curricular CCA activities, grade 1st and 2nd, academic year 2025 and 26. In grade 1st and 2nd, we made Vrindavan for Ashadi Ekadashi to celebrate devotion. Pot making, it was a learning experience where they enjoyed soaking the pot in the water overnight and later making them dry. Finally, painting with beautiful colors. We made a diya to brighten up Diwali. We designed a Father's Day card to express love and gratitude. We created cards for our teachers to thank them on Guru Purnima. We made a Rakhi to celebrate the bond of love between siblings. Fruit salad activity. We, the students of grade 1st and grade 2nd, enjoyed a fun and creative fruit salad activity conducted as a co-curricular CC activity. We brought different fresh fruits and used them to make beautiful designs like flowers and colorful patterns. Through this activity, we learn about importance of eating healthy fruit. It also helped us develop creativity and teamwork while working together. The colorful fruit plates prepared by us looked very attractive and delicious. We were and prepared fruit salad with our friends. It was a joyful, healthy and memorable learning experience for all of us. Competitive exams. This year, our school encouraged us to take part in competitive exams and help us prepare by arranging special lectures on a regular basis. Our teachers worked really hard to guide us, and we practiced a lot to improve our skills. With all the support and effort, we achieved amazing results in the Olympiad exams. We won many gold medals in IO, English Olympiad. Our grade 1st and 2nd students won 4 gold medals each. In NSO, Science Olympiad, both grade 1st and 2nd students again won 5 gold medals each. In IMO, Maths Olympiad, our grade 1st students grabbed 4 gold and grade 2nd students won 5 gold medals. In IHO, Hindi Olympiad, grade 1st and 2nd students won 3 gold medals. It was so exciting to see our hard work pay off, and we felt super proud of our achievements. Competition. Winning doesn't mean being first. It means doing your best and making progress. We participate in so many fun competitions at Bhandubai Patil Kindergarten and Bhandubai Patil Public School. We had Hindi rhyme recitation competition where we recited lovely poems, and in show and tell we spoke about different things with confidence. The solo dance and solo singing competition gave a chance to show our talent in music and dance. We also had handwriting competition to improve our writing. During Hindi Saptah, we enjoyed more competition. We recited funny Hasya Kavita, described pictures in Chitra Varnan, and told amazing stories in Katha Kathan. Spell bee competition to strengthen language skill, build confidence among students. The school organized spell bee competition for nursery to grade 2nd. The objective of this initiative was to develop the habit of learning spelling, improving vocabulary before every cycle test. Nursery students revise vocabulary letters A to Z, while LKG students practice 3-letter CBC words and simple EVS spelling. UKG students focus on filling the blanks and nature-related vocabulary. Students of grade 1st and 2nd were given 100 words per subject, enabling them to learn nearly 400 words during the academic year, thereby improving spelling, reading, and pronunciation skill. Along with vocabulary, students also given a mental math practice. Nursery and LKG work number identification, counting, and before-after concepts, while UKG grade 1st and 2nd practice mental addition, subtraction, number bonding, and tables as their curriculum. To motivate the students further, a spelling quiz and written dictation tests were conducted, and achievers were rewarded with gifts, anchoring them to continue learning with enthusiasm and confidence. We are proud to share that Veera Shinde of grade 2nd C secured the 3rd prize in the junior category of state level devotional song competition organized in memory of late Pandharinath Patil Bau, founder of Vivekananda Shikshan Sanstha. His melodious performance and dedication have brought pride to the school. Each competition was a wonderful experience. We had so much fun while learning new things. Festivals. Festivals are the teacher that life is a celebration. Festivals are time to celebrate our culture and our traditions. Ashadhi Ekadashi. We celebrated Ashadhi Ekadashi with full devotion towards Lord Vittal and Rukmini Devi. The Dindi, Bhajan and Kirtan were mesmerizing. Our teacher introduced us to significance of Tulsi and Vrindavan. Gokulashtami celebration. The festival of Gokulashtami was celebrated with great joy and enthusiasm for students from pre-primary to grade 2nd. The school was beautifully decorated with flowers, creating a vibrant and festive atmosphere. Our little ones came dressed as Radha and Krishna and presented beautiful songs and dance performances, filling the celebration with devotion and happiness. Students of grade 1st and grade 2nd participated in an exciting inter-house Dahi Handi competition for boys and girls. while the boys of Orange House emerged as winners and girls of Green House won the competition. Beyond the celebration, the activity aimed instill teamwork, coordination, and balance as students work together to form the pyramid and break the handi. The celebration was a wonderful blend of fun, learning, and values, and thoroughly enjoyed by all. Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is special festival celebrating bond between brothers and sisters. On this day, all girls brought beautiful rakis and boys brought small gifts. The girls tied the rakis on the wrist of boys, symbolizing love and protection. Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated on the birthday of Lord Ganesha, the son of Lord Shiva and Parvati. We celebrated it for 10 days. We prayed to get the blessings from Lord Ganesha. Our loving teachers and our friends brought sweets like laddu and modak as a prasad. The program ended with rally, dhol pathak, legims and chanting the Ganpati Bappa Moria, Pudcha Varshi Laukarya, which all echoed all around campus in a festive manner. Diwali. All students came in cultural dress, share sweets, and we decorate our classroom with joy. It was a day full of fun and festive spirit. Holi. The children celebrated Holi happily in school. They learned Holi is festival of color and joy. The children enjoyed coloring pictures and doing fun activities with their friends. The classroom was full of smiles, laughter, and bright colors. It was a very happy and fun day for all the children. Special Day Celebration Guru Purnima. We celebrated Guru Purnima with a special assembly. We gave speeches on importance of Guru and expressed gratitude towards our teachers. We also made cards for teachers. World Nature Day. On World Nature Day, we had a nursery visit in the school to observe and learn about plants in our classrooms. Teacher explained the importance of nature and why we should protect it. Independence Day. We celebrated Independence Day with great enthusiasm. We hoisted the national flag, sang national anthem, and participated in patriotic speeches and performances to honor our country's freedom. National Sports Day. On National Sports Day, we performed a dance, displayed various sports equipment, and learned important information about different sports and their significance. Hindi Divas. On Hindi Divas, we celebrated the importance of Hindi language through various activities. We performed a dance on Hindi song, delivered speeches in Hindi, and sang beautiful Hindi song to honor our national language. Grade 2nd students showcased their talent by reciting Hasya Kavita. Grade 1st students narrated engaging Hindi stories. Pre-primary students participated in Hindi rhyme recitation. Color Day. Throughout the year, we celebrated different color day like Green Day, Blue Day, Yellow Day and tricolors on Independence Day, where we learned the different things around us that belongs to those colors. It was such fun to learn colors in a such an innovative way. Children's Day celebration. Our school celebrated Children's Day with great joy and excitement. The students from pre-primary to grade 2nd enjoyed a fun and educational zoo visit to Siddharth Garden. We explored nature, saw many animals and had lots of outdoor fun with our friends. The students for 1st and 2nd, the teachers also arranged games like hurdles game and pebbles game. We enjoyed playing these games and participating in other fun activities. The celebration helped us to learn new things and created many happy and memorable moments for all of us. Farmers Day and Christmas. On Farmers Day, we honored the hard work of farmers through a role play where participants dress as farmers and showcase their daily life. The participants also perform a dance on Farmers Action Song. Christmas was celebrated with great joy and excitement. Santa Claus arrived, spread happiness and gave chocolates to all the students. We also enjoyed a dance performance, making the celebration even more cheerful. Birth anniversaries. Throughout the year, we celebrated birth anniversaries of great leaders who inspired us with their contributions. Karmavir Bhairav Patil, remembering his great contribution to education and his dedication to the helping the poor. Lal Bahadur Shastri, honoring his simplicity and dedication to the nation. Mahatma Gandhi, learning about the principles of truth and non-violence. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, admiring his achievement as a scientist and leader. Savitribai Phule, recognizing her efforts in women education. Rajmata Jijau, remembering her role in shaping the leadership of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Swami Vivekananda, learning from his teachings on youth empowerment and spirituality. Through speeches, discussions and activities, we honor their legacies and learned valuable lessons from their lives. Shiv Jayanti. We celebrated Shiv Jayanti with great enthusiasm. The event included a dance performance, a skit, and a role play showcasing the life and bravery of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. A ramp walk was also organized where students dress our historical figure. The celebration was even more special as parents joined to this assembly, making it a memorable and grand event. Sant Gadge Baba. On Sant Gadge Baba birth anniversaries, we honor his contributions through as a tribute to his principles. We also organize a Swachh Abhiyan, clean air drive where we cleaned our classroom and school ground, promoting the importance of cleanliness and hygiene. Zoo visit. We had an exciting zoo visit to Siddharth Garden where we got to see a variety of animals including water animals and snakes. We played in the park enjoying watching animals and had lot of fun with teachers and friends. School nursery visit. We had a fun visit to school nursery where we explore many flowers and plants. We enjoyed seeing the colorful flowers and learn about how plants grow. Our school has a water purification plant. Our teacher took us to visit it. The plants cleans wastewater. First dirty water goes in, then it gets cleaned. After that the clean water is used to water plants and trees in our school. In this way we save water. All the visits were educational and exciting for us. Picnic. We had an exciting picnic at Fort View Resort and it was one of the best days in the year. As soon as we reached, we were welcomed lots of fun activities. We enjoyed thrilling rides like the camel ride, horse ride, truck ride and bullock cart ride, which made us feel like we were on an adventure. There was also magic show that amused us with incredible tricks, leaving us all surprised and excited. We played various games, ran around in the open fields and had a fantastic time with our friends. After all fun, we sat together for a delicious lunch and enjoyed a meal in the fresh air, surrounded by nature. It was a joyful day filled with laughter, happiness and wonderful memories that we will always cherish. Sports Day. Sports Day was a thrilling event where parents, teachers and students come together for a day full of energy, excitement and friendly competition. The event began with the torch-bearing ceremony, filling the atmosphere with enthusiasm and school spirit. We participated in hurdle races, plane races and group games, which taught us the importance of teamwork and sportsmanship. The highlight of the day was the parents' participation as they joined in special games, making the event even more lively. Their energy and excitement added endless joy and fun, making everyone cheer louder. The winners were proudly honored with gold, silver and bronze medal, along with certificates of achievement. It was truly a day filled with sportsmanship, laughter and unforgettable memories for all. Republic Day. On 26 January, we celebrated the 77th Republic Day with great enthusiasm. The event included drill performances, showcased discipline and teamwork. The celebration was a true reflection of our patriotism and commitment to the nation's value. Yoga Week celebration. The school organized Yoga Week for all students to promote health and well-being. Yoga Guru Praveen Bankar and his team conducted daily morning yoga sessions including proper Surya Namaskar techniques, guiding students through various asanas and breathing practices. They also counseled and guided students on maintaining good health and following a healthy daily routine. The sessions help build energy, improve concentration, and create awareness about the importance of yoga, making it a refreshing and enriching experience for all. Health checkup. Medical camp was conducted by the doctors for the students from pre-primary to grade 10th. 2 days camp was conducted by the team. The doctor examined us and guided us and provided information about the good health. Parent sessions and programs. Parent enrichment sessions. The school organized a series of parent enrichment sessions to guide and inspire students and parents. Dr. Vittal Lane conducted an insightful session highlighting the importance of dedication, hard work and focus in achieving success. This was followed by an inspiring session by Indrajit Deshmukh sir, who motivated and encouraged students and parents to stay positive and strive towards their goals. Additionally, one more session was conducted by Mrs. Resham ma'am for the students from pre-primary to grade 10th, with special focus on UKG parents, where she provided valuable guidance on POXO awareness and child safety. These sessions proved to be highly enriching, empowering parents and students with knowledge, awareness and motivation.
To conclude this annual report, I would say that the whole year has been full of learning with fun. We have not only excelled ourselves in academics, but we have performed excellently in co-curricular activities too. We are so grateful to our director, Mr. Bondwe sir, who has blessed us with this such a wonderful school. Our principal Datta ma'am, vice principal Rani ma'am, and foundation stage our academic head Ghena ma'am, who have been strong motivators to boost our energy and heartfelt gratitude towards our hardworking and talented teachers and loving parents who have sent us to this beautiful school where we will learn and become a successful citizen of the nation. Once again, thank you to all of you. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you.
Wow. That was amazing. Our little stars did a fantastic job by sharing their journey. Wasn't it, Pranjali?
Really, Sharanya? From studies to activities, they have grown so much this year. So, let's give them a huge round of applause. Dear parents, our today's guest of honor, Mr.
Rakesh G. Sarkate sir. He's a well-known composer and a well-known musician. Along with him, we also welcome Mr. Vinod Sarkate sir. Now I request our school director, Mr. Bondwe sir, to felicitate Mr. Rajesh G. Sarkate sir. Audience, please welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Audience, once again, let's give them a thunderous round of applause.
Mr. Rajesh J. Sarkate sir. He's a well-known composer and a musician. Now I request Mr. Bondwe sir to felicitate Mr. Vinod Sarkate sir.
ब्रज की पावन मिट्टी सा निर्मल आपका व्यवहार है, आपके आगमन से खिला आज हमारा ये संसार है, आज हमारा ये संसार है।
शॉल और स्मृतियों से नहीं हम हृदय से वंदन करते हैं, शॉल और स्मृतियों से नहीं हम हृदय से वंदन करते हैं। कान्हा के इस नगरी में आपका सादर अभिनंदन करते हैं, आपका सादर अभिनंदन करते हैं। Now we also have our parents representative with us. Please welcome Mr. Sopan Birase sir. He's a parent representative from Bondwe Patil Public School. I request our school director, Mr. Bondwe sir,
to felicitate Mr. Sopan sir.
please. Now I request our school director, Mr. Bondwe sir, to felicitate our school parents representative, Mr. Sopan Birase sir.
Please give him a huge round of applause.
Now I request our school secretary, Meenakshi Bondwe ma'am, to felicitate our school parents representative, Mrs. Sneha Navtar ma'am. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Audience, cheer up. Give them a thunderous round of applause.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Now I request all the dignitaries to kindly take their respective seats. And now it's time to hear words that inspire our little minds with love and care. Our foundation stage head, Gaina Shadisha ma'am. Please welcome her with a huge round of applause.
इस पावन अवसर पर आप सभी को राधे राधे। दिल से सभी एक बार जोर से बोलें, राधे राधे। On this special occasion of the 7th annual day of Bondwe Patil Kindergarten and Bondwe Patil Public School, I, Mrs. Gaina Bharat Shadija, Foundation Stage Head, welcome you all. Our school director, Mr. Hanuman Bondwe sir, school secretary, Mrs. Meenakshi Bondwe ma'am, committee member, Mrs. Mayuri Bondwe ma'am, our guest of honor for today, Mr. Santosh Gute sir, Tehsildar Khultabad, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, Talati sir, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, Mr. Nitin Gaikwad sir, famous musician and singer, Mr. Sarkateji sir, Mr. Sachin Magar sir, President, Brilliant School, Sanskriti Foundation Directors, Mr. Rakesh Rajput sir, Mr. Nikesh Rajput sir, Mr. Akash Rajput sir, all the dignitaries on the dais, our school principal, Mrs. Sarmishta Datta ma'am, school vice principal, Mrs. Rani Sawant ma'am, my dear loving teachers, hard-working and dedicated, always on their toes, my loving cooperative parents, and my tiny tots who are very superstars. आज का ये पावन अवसर जहाँ पर ये भोंडवे पाटिल पब्लिक स्कूल एक वृंदावन की तरह सुंदर तरीके से सज उठा है, मानो श्री कृष्ण स्वयं यहाँ पर आकर विराजमान हुए हैं। चारों ओर खुशियाँ ही छा गई हैं। कुछ ही देर में हमारे नन्हे कलाकार राधा और कान्हा बनकर सुंदर रास लीलाएं, माखन, उनकी बचपन की नटखट लीलाएं आपको दिखाएंगे। ये सब करना इतना आसान नहीं होता। छोटे छोटे नन्हे कलाकार राइट फ्रॉम प्ले ग्रुप से लेकर ग्रेड 2 तक, कुछ बड़े कलाकार जो हम मिडिल स्कूल और सेकेंडरी से भी हैं, अपने सुंदर जो इतने दिनों से वो पिछले 25 दिनों से गहरी मेहनत से आपके सामने आज प्रेजेंटेशन करने वाले हैं। आज आपने ये एनुअल रिपोर्ट में देखा ही होगा कितनी सुंदर एक्टिविटीज़ यहाँ पर होती है जिसे हम होलसम डेवलपमेंट कहते हैं, ये आपके बिना असंभव है। जैसे कि मैं शुरू से ही कहते आई हूँ कि पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स और स्कूल, इनके बिना बच्चों का होलसम डेवलपमेंट पॉसिबल नहीं है। ये सारा कुछ करने के लिए आपकी मदद की हमेशा ही ज़रूरत पड़ती है। आपके बिना ये सब संभव नहीं है। पिछले 25 दिनों से आपने हमारा भरपूर साथ सहयोग दिया। स्कूल का टाइमिंग हमने चेंज किया, उसमें भी आपने सहयोग दिया। छोटे नन्हे बच्चों की तो जो उनकी एनर्जी है उसका तो कहना ही क्या है। इतना सुंदर तरीके से हमने आज ये प्रोग्राम आयोजित किया है। ये सब करने के पीछे कारण यही था कि आप जैसे आज जानते हैं कि टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी बढ़ गई है, बच्चे मोबाइल के आदी हो चुके हैं। पेरेंट्स को हम एक सुंदर मैसेज देना चाहते हैं। आज जो हमने ये थीम हमारी चुनी है, ब्रज की गाथा वृंदावन, इसके पीछे एक मकसद है। सभी पेरेंट्स से हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट है कि वे बच्चों में ये सारे संस्कार डालें। हम सब सनातनी हैं, सनातन धर्म को बिलोंग करते हैं। हमारे बच्चों को कृष्ण की कथा, राम की कथा, हमारे जो बहुत बड़े लीडर्स हैं, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज, इन सब की कहानियाँ उनको पता होनी चाहिए, उनका जीवन चरित्र उनको पता होना चाहिए। इसीलिए हम अलग अलग तरीके से ऐसे थीम्स चुनकर आते हैं जहाँ पर बच्चे उनकी सारी जो जीवन चर्या थी, जैसे वो बड़े हुए, क्या क्या हुआ था, वो युग में हम बच्चों को लेकर जाते हैं। पिछले 25 दिनों से हमारा स्कूल सच में वृंदावन बन चुका है। आते जाते बच्चे बड़े प्यार से बोलते हैं, राधे राधे मैम, राधे कृष्ण मैम, जैसे मानो इतना सुंदर लगता है उनके मुँह से ये सुनना। क्यों ना आप सब भी ये चीज़ें घर पर अपनाएं। बच्चों को मोबाइल की जगह पर उनको क्वालिटी टाइम दें, जिससे बच्चे मोबाइल की तरफ बढ़े ही ना। उनको कहानियाँ बताएं, उनको बताएं कि क्या था उस युग में, कौन से युग थे। 4 युगों के बारे में उनको बताएं, क्योंकि ये सारी चीज़ें बच्चों को बताना बहुत ज़रूरी है। एकेडमिक्स तो होते ही रहता है, ये भी एकेडमिक का ही एक पार्ट है। तो बस कुछ ही देर में हमारे नन्हे कलाकार आपका मन रमने आ रहे हैं, तो एक बार ज़ोरदार तालियों के साथ मेरे बच्चों का स्वागत करें। आप सब यहाँ पर आज हमारे कहने पर यशोदा और नंद बनकर आए हैं। आप सबका हमारी पावन धरती पर स्वागत है। हमारा ये स्कूल आज वृंदावन बन गया है। एक बार ज़ोर से पुकार लगाए, उसकी शरण में जाएं, बोले राधे राधे। आपकी आवाज़ बहुत कम पड़ती है, कभी आपको मेरे बच्चों की आवाज़ सुनाऊंगी। आज आप जब देखेंगे मेरे नर्सरी के छोटे छोटे बच्चे कैसे खुद ही स्टेज पर आते हैं और कॉन्फिडेंस से बोलते हैं, अगर मैं आपको अभी उनको एक आवाज़ लगा दूं, शायद मेरी आवाज़ उन तक पीछे पहुंच रही होगी, तो उनकी आवाज़ के सामने आपकी आवाज़ बहुत फीकी है। एक बार ज़ोर से सच्चे मन से उस बाके बिहारी को पुकारते हैं और बोलते हैं राधे राधे, राधे राधे। मेरे बच्चे कितने प्यार से बोलते हैं, आपकी आवाज़ बहुत फीकी है। थैंक यू सो मच। बोलने के अवगत में आपका मन दुखाया हो तो क्षमा चाहती हूँ। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र, जय भारत।
Thank you, ma'am. Your words are just like a shade in a massive banyan tree, calm, wise, and deeply rooted.
Saranya, shade is nice, but actually I was looking for Basuri, because hearing after such a beautiful speech, my heart is ready to dance in the rain like a peacock.
ना कोई बंधन, ना कोई बाधा, जहाँ गुजती बस श्याम में राधा। वो नगर नहीं एक रूह का कोना है, वो नगर नहीं एक रूह का कोना है, जहाँ पत्थर को भी भक्ति में खोना है, जहाँ पत्थर को भी भक्ति में खोना है।
यमुना की लहरों में वो बासी का तराना, रज रज में बसा है युगा पुराना अफसाना। जहाँ की हवाओं में मिश्री सी मिठास है, जहाँ की हवाओं में मिश्री सी मिठास है, कन कन में बसता अलौकिक एहसास है, कन कन में बसता अलौकिक एहसास है।
तो थाम लीजिए दिल और मुस्कुराए जनाब, खुलने जा रहा है अब ब्रज प्रेम का ये पावन किताब। स्वागत है आपका इस रहस्यमय शाम में, जहाँ हम खो जाएंगे बस वृंदावन के नाम में, बस वृंदावन के नाम में।
आज की ये शाम हमें ले जाने वाली है उसी मैजिकल दुनिया में।
वृंदावन के वृक्ष को मर्म न जाने कोई, वृंदावन के वृक्ष को मर्म न जाने कोई, डाल डाल और पात पात पे श्री राधा राधा होए, श्री राधा राधा होए.
So, get ready to be mesmerized. They say that if you listen closely to the winds that blows in Vrindavan, it doesn't just blows, it whispers a name. It's a land where every speck of dust is more precious than a gold, and where every flute plays in the rhythm of Bashari.
मीठी तान सुनाकर जिसने जग का मोह छुड़ाया है, मीठी तान सुनाकर जिसने जग का मोह छुड़ाया है, चलो चले उस नगरी में जहाँ प्रेम ही प्रेम समाया है, जहाँ प्रेम ही प्रेम समाया है. And now presenting a beautiful choir performance. तो चलो आनी छोकरियों छोकरियों स्वागत करिए.
सुलझाओ We